Brad Williams, XL Prime. Surface area of a cylinder. The formula is equal to 2 times pi times radius squared plus 2 pi radius times height. Now, the first formula is backwards. If you want to calculate it in this manner, in other words, we have 2 pi radius times height, the first part of the formula, plus 2 pi r squared. And then the second is as it's shown here. Results are the same. Looking at radius and height using pi, and that is the basic calculation to determine surface area of a cylinder. Times 2 times pi times radius times height plus pi times radius squared. Now you can always replace the b5 caret with the power function, or just use the caret means. That's a quick surface area of a cylinder calculation. Brad Williams, XL Prime. See you soon.